Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure both devices are ready. Charge the controller, then turn on Bluetooth on your phone. Location helps on some Android models. Press and hold the controller's pairing button until the Xbox logo blinks quickly. That puts it in pairing mode. On your phone, open Bluetooth settings and watch for a device named Xbox Wireless Controller. Tap it to connect. Once paired, the light will stay solid. This first step gets the radio link active, so games can recognize input. Once your phone lists the controller as connected, open a game or a controller test app to verify buttons, sticks, and triggers respond. Make sure the game supports controllers. Some require enabling an input option in settings. If buttons feel off, use a mapping app or the game's controller settings to remap or adjust dead zones and trigger curves. For cloud or streaming services, choose the controller option in their settings. These configuration steps ensure consistent inputs and reduce drift or mismatched controls while you play. Finish by testing latency-sensitive games. If you notice input lag, move closer to the phone or use a wired USB-C connection with an adapter for lower latency. If the controller disconnects, forget the device in Bluetooth and repair. That clears pairing glitches. Also check for firmware updates in the Xbox Accessories app on Android or Xbox console, because updates fix connectivity quirks. If it still fails, reboot both devices and try another app to isolate whether the problem is the controller, phone, or the specific game.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.